I have a degree in finance and I have my MBA, and I was just always interested in financing, so that's how I landed here. Well, my section, I work for programming, and we authorized the federal funds for the project. We are a mix of engineers and non-engineers. We have regional engineers who are out in the districts, and then we have a engineer who's here, and she does the federal STIP, which Jefferson Road was in the 6-year program, so it's kind of good to see that we were able to build this project within the 6 years. This project was kind of difficult because you had 17 different funding pots that we took money from to authorize the funding for the project. And what was unique was we got to use a lot of the railroad money that was going to lapse this year. So we were able to use that money and put it on Jefferson Road. I think the mayor of South Charleston, said it correctly that Jefferson Road was good for the city of South Charleston, it's good for the Canal Valley, and it's good for West Virginia. I use Jefferson Road all the time because I like to go walking out on Quarter G. I also go to Walmart and Target. I just think that the public is, they have seen the houses being boarded up. And so I guess the public is just worried about when is this project going to start. So I was glad to see that they had a start date and they had an end date. The division of highways, we're more than just roads. We're bridges, we're sidewalks, we're improvement projects, expansion projects. We're secondary roads, main roads, interstate, we're everything.